Welcome to Art and Room 503. This is my son graduating. He's now a senior. We took him to Japan to graduate. These are my two sons and me, my birds, snake, my family, fish, cats, my artwork in my studio. There were this summer 3 scholarships given to College of Arts and Crafts. I fixed a mural this summer also. I took a 3D printing class at Lawrence Livermore Lab. We made balloon cars, 3D printed solar cars, 3D printed me, which I'm going to do of all of you, 3D printed balloon boats. I went to New York and went to the Guggenheim Museum and saw much beautiful art. Picasso, Jackson Pollock, Wassily Kandinsky, 1900s. Then we went to Croatia and Italy and Greece. Venice, we saw Venice, beautiful city on canals. Croatia, Santorini, Greece, interesting pool. This is my husband. I love coffee, pizza, much pizza in Italy, charcoal pizza. Interesting charcoal ice cream cone, gelato. And these are some of the art projects you'll be making. Sugar Skull, Google for drawing. This was the winner. You'll be working on iPads this year, making sugar skulls. We always do the disguise a turkey drawing. We'll take field trips. I think you have Museum of Modern Art in San Francisco this year. This is your new sketchbooks and folders. We're going to make books this year. And your folders, you splatter paint. We do tie-dyeing around the holidays. There's a Lego wall. You're welcome anytime to 3D printing. 3D printing of you, each of you. We're doing orphan portraits again this year, and this year we're doing exchanging drawings with Syria, partnering with the preschooler also. I want you to look at the windows in the classroom. See how many unicorns you can see. The end.